4L wax melter cleaning instructions. Method 1. After use, turn off the melting pot and let it to cool before wipe it clean. Method 2. Pour in hot water mixed with dish soap to rinse. After pouring out the water, rinse once more with clean water. Then wipe the unit dry. Heating test. Upgraded 4L wax melter. Check if any burnt residue at the bottom of 4L wax melter. Continuous heating. After 10 minutes, there is no burnt residue as tested and shown. How to thoroughly clean wax melting pot to remove the odor. Step 1. Mix white vinegar and water in a 1:1 ratio. Wipe the inner wall, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse. Step 2. Make a paste by mixing baking soda with a small amount of water. Apply the paste and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then add clean water to rinse thoroughly and wipe dry.